Welcome to Helsinki, Finland's most beautiful city. My favorite Nordic country. I said it. Oh yeah. Hey everyone, today we're exploring the bustling markets of Helsinki, Finland. Let's dive in right here at Esplanadi Park next to the famous Havis Amanda fountain. Reporting live from May Day. This beautiful fountain known as Havis Amanda was sculpted in 1908. It symbolizes the rebirth of Helsinki, with the mermaid rising from the sea representing the city coming to life. Fun fact, every year on May Day, the fountain is the centerpiece of a lively celebration where students wash and place a cap on the statue's head. Now let's check out these amazing market stalls. Look at all these handcrafted stuff. And oh, here's something special, a Russian matryoshka doll. I've always wanted one of these. How much for that?
This?
Yeah.
25.
25?
They have 6 inside.
And these?
This is 10 euro.
10 euro each?
Yeah.
How much they got inside?
4, 5, I don't know. You can look.
Oh.
Yo, this old one, the... This 20 euro.
Wow.
Arabia.
Wait, is there more? I don't have room, man.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
This is good one. You have
Yeah.
sticker.
You have like tape to like make
Tape
sure?
I didn't have.
No.
Have the plastic bag I give you.
Okay. Matushka, no?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Have a good one.
Yeah, thanks.
Just bought this beautiful matryoshka doll. These dolls are a traditional Russian craft where one doll fits inside another, all the way down to the tiniest one. Such a nice souvenir. Check this out. They even got Soviet memorabilia. It's like taking a step back in time. Next stop, Helsinki Market Square. This place is right by the water, and you can see some pretty awesome boats docked here. The vibe is so lively, with vendors selling everything from fresh produce to unique antiques. I see, it's really good, really nice.
This is Helsinki, and here Market Square.
Yeah.
All the bells.
Market Square, like Venice? Oh, this way?
Market Square.
This is market. Oh, okay.
In Gold Eagle, Red Church, it's the place.
Okay. Very nice, very nice.
And my signature. Also bus, Market Square here. White
Market
Church is board.
Nice.
And Aurora Borealis reindeer. Aurora.
Nice.
Leopard.
It is the smallest market I've seen, the Helsinki market. It is the smallest market I've seen. This architecture is amazing. Finland is my favorite. And now we're heading to one of my favorite spots, the Old Market Hall. This place has been around since 1889 and it is a must visit for any food lover. The Old Market Hall is packed with a variety of food stalls, from fresh fish to baked goods. It's a foodie's paradise, but today I'm here to try something special, reindeer meat. Here it is, reindeer meat, and I'm trying it with some lingonberry jam. First time for everything, right? Let's see how it tastes.
Very typical Finnish. Would you like to taste a little bit?
Reindeer.
Reindeer, yes. Salted reindeer. I give you taste, 1 little spoon here. Mashed potato, always with reindeer. Here, salted reindeer. Salted reindeer. I give you a nice slice of here. With lingonberry. Yes. Lingonberry jam. A bit more. That's the way we eat reindeer here in Finland.
Finland.
Yes, blue cheese, lingonberry. Yes, there you are.
Alright.
Salted reindeer, mashed potato. Moi moi! Hei hei! Täällä on ihana poronkari.
Delicious.
Siihen silkkinen kumpimuusialle.
How much?
15.90.
How much?
15.
Euro.
Yes. Sorry. Like.
Oh, 59. Okay.
Yes,
And how much?
Not 50.
Yeah, how much?
At least 300 grams, usually more that silky velvety potato, and about 100 grams that's a reindeer. And toppings you can take here.
Thank you so much.
You're very much. Thank you.
Very good. Wow, the reindeer is tender and the jam adds this amazing sweet flavor. Highly recommend giving this a try. It's a delicious taste of Finnish tradition. The Old Market Hall isn't just about food. The atmosphere here is so welcoming, and you can learn so much about Finnish culture just by talking to the vendors. Thanks for joining me today in our market adventure in Helsinki. From the charming Esplanadi Park and the historical Havis Amanda fountain to the lively market square and the delicious finds in the old market hall, this city has so much to offer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun adventures. See you in the next video. Arrivederci, ragazzi. At the moment they hear you speak English, and what type of English? I think that's the Just 3 naked men hammering away. Nothing gay about that.